Mysterious, slightly dramatic, mind-blowing but easy to understand. Imagine this. A silent killer streaks through space. A black hole, rogue and relentless, locks onto Earth. In mere seconds, our world unravels. But how? Let's unravel the nightmare. First, understand the beast. Black holes aren't holes at all. They're collapsed stars. So heavy, gravity crushes everything. Light can't escape. They're invisible predators. Now, this one is rogue, kicked out of its galaxy, wandering alone, billions of years old, heading our way. At first, no signs. Telescopes scan the skies. Stars shine as usual, but deep space whispers warnings. Gravitational pulls shift. Outer planets like Neptune wobble. Comets veer off path. Astronomers scratch heads. Is it an alien invasion? No, something worse. Stickman scientist peers through telescope. His eyes widen. A lens effect. Stars behind it bend. Like a funhouse mirror, the black hole reveals itself. Too late. It's closing in. Fast. Speed of a bullet train in space. Our solar system feels the grip. Pluto, the dwarf, gets yanked first. Flung into the void. Or crushed. Stickman on Earth checks news. Alerts blare. Unknown force approaching. Panic stirs. But here's the chilling part. This black hole isn't supermassive. It's stellar-sized. Mass of 10 suns. Radius like a city. Small enough to sneak close. Big enough to doom us. Now tension builds. Jupiter, the giant, senses it. Its moons scatter. Io erupts violently. Volcanic plumes shoot higher. Jupiter's bands twist. Storm eyes widen. The great red spot spins faster. Chaos in the gas giant. Stickman astronaut on ISS looks out, sees Jupiter warping. Houston, we have a problem. Radio crackles. Static. Connections falter. Gravity waves ripple. Satellites tumble. GPS fails. Planes lose navigation. Cars swerve on highways. Stickman driver grips wheel. Horns blare. Traffic jams eternal. But wait, Mars next. The red planet tilts. Dust storms rage global. Rovers shut down. Perseverance's last signal. Anomaly detected. Colonists in habitats scream. Domes crack. Air leaks. They claw at suits, suffocating in red dust. Escalating horror. Now, closer. The asteroid belt shatters. Rocks hurl like bullets. Some towards Earth. Meteors streak the sky. Fireballs rain down. Cities light up in explosions. Stickman in bunker huddles. Walls shake. Dust falls from ceiling. Family clings together, whispers prayers. But the real terror approaches. The black hole nears Earth's orbit. The moon feels the pull first. Our faithful satellite. It drifts away. Orbits elongate. Tides go insane. Oceans bulge impossibly. Coasts flood in minutes. New York underwater. Stickman surfer rides massive wave, then crashes into skyscrapers. Waves swallow landmarks. Statue of Liberty tips, sinks. Global catastrophe. Earthquakes trigger. Plates shift violently. San Andreas splits wide. California slides into sea. Volcanoes awaken. Yellowstone erupts. Ash blots the sun. Sky turns blood red. Stickman climber on Everest. Mountain crumbles beneath. Avalanches bury villages. Screams echo in thin air. But here's the terrifying escalation. Tidal forces intensify. Black hole's gravity isn't uniform. Closer side pulled harder. Earth stretches like rubber, becomes egg-shaped. Crust cracks open. Magma spews from fissures. Continents drift apart faster. Atlantic widens in hours. Stickman on plane. Turbulence extreme. Plane rips apart mid-air. Passengers plummet into boiling oceans. Atmosphere thins. Winds howl at hurricane speeds. Trees uproot. Houses fly like toys.
Stickman holds on to lamppost. Wind tears clothes. Skin burns from friction. Breath stolen. Now the core reacts. Earth's heart compresses. Magnetic field flips. Auroras dance wildly. Pole to pole. Electronics fry. Power grids collapse. Darkness engulfs the world. Only glow from fires and lava. Stickman in city, streetlights explode, runs in pitch black, trips over debris, hears distant roars of crumbling buildings. But pause, could we fight back? Nukes, launched at the void, they vanish, sucked in. No explosion, just added mass, makes it stronger. Escape pods? Billionaire rockets lift off, but gravity curves space. They loop back, spiral down. Crew watches Earth below, stretching, tearing. Their end mirrors ours. Now the climax nears. Event horizon looms, the boundary. Cross it, no return. Time warps here, relativity's trick. From afar, Earth falls slow, like frozen in amber. But for us, blinding speed. Seconds feel eternal, yet instant. Spaghettification hits, gravity gradient extreme. Feet pulled harder than head, bodies stretch, limbs elongate, bones snap. Stickman falls feet first, feels pull, legs lengthen, torso thins, head last, eyes bulge, sees world distort, pain unimaginable, atoms disassemble, protons, neutrons scatter, Earth follows suit, planet pulled into stream, like noodle in soup, rocks vaporize, oceans boil away, core implodes, all matter funnels in, accretion disk forms, swirling debris, heats to millions degrees, glows bright, X-rays blast out. From space, a flare signals our demise. Solar system watches, sun dimples slightly, but holds. Venus, Mercury pulled closer, eventually swallowed, perhaps. Mars orbits wobble, but stabilizes. Empty space where Earth was. Moon wanders alone, a ghost. Now, inside the black hole, what happens? Singularity, point of infinite density. Laws break, time stops, our remnants crushed to nothing. But theories whisper, quantum effects, Hawking radiation, black holes leak, slowly evaporate. Over trillions years, our atoms escape as faint glow, reborn in universe. But here's a deeper mystery. Some say black holes birth universes, Big Bang inside. Our end spawns new cosmos with different laws, multiverses branching, infinite worlds from our sacrifice, mind-blowing. Or wormholes, tunnels to elsewhere, Earth's matter ejected in another galaxy, reassembled? Unlikely, but possible. Science debates. Black holes hold keys to reality's fabric. We probe them with telescopes. James Webb peers deep, sees ancient ones merging, waves detected. LIGO hums with ripples, proof they're out there. Rogue ones, harder to spot, but models predict. Thousands in Milky Way, wondering, one could pass. Odds, astronomical low, like a shark attack in the desert, but not zero. Vigilance key. Scientists simulate what-if scenarios like this to prepare or just wonder. Our place fragile in the cosmic arena. Predators lurk. Black holes, nebulas, gamma bursts. Earth hangs by a thread. One tug, gone. Cherish the now. Look up at the stars, not in fear, in awe. But remember, the universe doesn't care. It's vast, indifferent. We speck, yet dreaming of survival against voids. Now the twist. What if this black hole isn't destroyer, but savior in disguise, pulling Earth through to a parallel dimension where we evolve beyond limits? Wild speculation, but quantum foam suggests possibilities endless. Universe full of surprises. If this scenario shook you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more space horrors and mind benders. What cosmic disaster terrifies you next? Drop it in the comments. Let's explore together.